Sometimes it's really hard to see what the next step on the path is. If you've got a relationship, a project, a business idea, a dream of some kind, and you just can't quite wrap your head around it because you're trying to use your logical mind to figure it out, figure it out, figure it out. And it only knows what you've done before, what you've been told to do. It's always about the familiar. And sometimes we need to go way past that into a much bigger aspect of our mind, the intuitive spaces. And that takes some support, some quiet, and the right questions. And that's what I do. And I have a workshop coming up on Sunday that will absolutely help you with that. It's $37. You get some time with me after. It's quiet and internal, and it'll give you a chance to ask those questions. The link is in the profile, so join me.